Augmented reality and virtual reality are exciting platforms for users to interact with computing resources and information. Less so exciting are hand controllers, which limit applications that demand expressive, readily available input. In response, prior research leverages the user's body as a medium to host interactivity. In the digital reality, there are many virtual 3D objects users need to retrieve and interact with. While prior work has users' hands grasp these objects, we propose having users' hands become these objects. To leverage the expressivity of our hands, we created hand interfaces, a series of interaction techniques that allow users to imitate objects in AR and VR with their hands for object retrieval and interactivity. Examples of hand interfaces include a joystick imitated by a thumbs-up hand pose, a kalimba by 5 fingers extended straight out, a switch by a loop formed by the index and the thumb fingers, an inflator by a horizontal horn pose, a wand by a pointing pose, a fishing rod by a pointing pose with the thumb extended out, a globe by a fist, a spray can by a fist with the index finger slightly extended out, a trumpet by a pinky finger up pose, a pair of scissors by the scissors pose, a pair of binoculars by touching 2 hands with the O pose. Besides these, we have also implemented many other objects with distinctive hand poses that allow users to easily imitate them. We have conducted a series of studies in retrieval and interaction scenarios in which we compared hand interfaces with several baseline interaction techniques. We envision hand interfaces being used in a wide spectrum of AR/VR applications. Here, we want to show you some examples. In this educational application, hand interfaces allow a user to use 2 index fingers to quickly imitate multimeter probes. After the voltage is measured, the user retrieves and uses a pen to write down some notes, and take a picture with a camera for documentation. In this game example, the user imitates a wand to cast spells. The user can also imitate a mug to drink a healing potion. With augmented reality, hand interfaces enable readily available interactions for physical environments. In this example, a user can toggle the light on and off by using an imitated toggle switch. Then, the user uses a joystick by a thumbs-up hand pose to adjust the orientation of the light. Finally, the user forms a fist gesture to retrieve and use a spherical color palette to adjust the light color. Overall, we have proved that hand interfaces are effective, expressive, and fun to use in a wide spectrum of applications. Please refer to our paper for more details.